Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Rocket League game. So let's get started right away. Now, since your account on Rocket League is directly linked with your Epic Games account, open up the Epic Games launcher on your device. Once you open it up, you will directly be taken into the store page since you are already logged in. If you wish to log out from the Rocket League game, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Sign Out. Once you click on this button, you will be logged out from your Rocket League Games account right away. If you close this and then open up the Rocket League game now, you will see the option to play on within offline mode. If you wish to play online once again, you will need to come back to the Epic Games app and then log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Rocket League game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.